Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Holy Stone HS600D 3-axis brushless gimbal GPS drone. Click the link below for the best price. Let's explore this powerful drone packed with advanced features designed for both hobbyists and professional aerial photographers looking for outstanding image quality and flight performance. Starting with the camera, the HS600D boasts a stunning 4K video recording at 30 frames per second and supports ultra-high-resolution 8K image capture. With a 48MP sensor, this drone captures incredibly sharp and detailed photos, whether you're shooting landscapes, action shots, or cinematic footage. The 3-axis brushless gimbal ensures your videos and photos remain stable and smooth, eliminating unwanted vibrations and shakes during flight for professional quality footage. Flying the drone is made easier and safer thanks to its GPS-assisted flight system. This feature enables precise positioning, stable hovering, and intelligent flight modes. You can enjoy features like auto return to home, which automatically brings the drone back to its takeoff point if the battery is low or signal is lost, giving you peace of mind during longer flights. The flight time is impressive, lasting up to 80 minutes on a single charge, allowing for extended sessions to capture all the aerial shots you need without frequent interruptions for recharging. Control distance is also outstanding, with a range of up to 20,000 feet, giving you the freedom to explore vast areas while maintaining reliable communication with your drone. The HS600D includes first-person view, FPV, capabilities, allowing you to see live video streaming from the drone's camera directly to your controller or smartphone. This immersive view enhances your flying experience, making it easier to frame shots and navigate through complex environments. Advanced flight features like QuickShot modes let you capture professional-style cinematic footage with ease. These intelligent flight paths and automated shots help you create dynamic videos without needing complex piloting skills. Durability and design have also been upgraded with the HS600D, offering a robust build that withstands the rigors of outdoor flying. The drone is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to carry while maintaining excellent stability even in windy conditions. In summary, if you're looking for a high-performance GPS drone with a professional-grade camera, extended flight time, advanced flight modes, and excellent control range, the Holy Stone HS600D is a standout option. Whether you're a beginner or experienced pilot, it offers features to help you capture breathtaking aerial footage effortlessly. Click the link below for the best price. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.